Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I'm sitting in a 2011 Ford Escape and I will show you which fuse and relay to check in case your air conditioner is not working. This video will apply to Ford Escapes made from 2008 all the way up to 2012. Now, it's always a good idea first to check the fuses because that's always the cheapest and easiest thing to fix. And then if the fuse and the relay are good, then you can focus on doing some deeper diagnostics, checking the AC compressor, the lines and things like that. Both the fuse and the relay are located in a small fuse box just under the front hood next to the battery, which is right here. Now, to lift this cover, you will have two black clips, one on this side and the other one on the other side. Now, to open it, you can just lift this clip here on this side and remove the cover. On the back side of the cover, you will also have a small fuse diagram. Now, the fuse you want to check, it's a fuse number 13, which is 10 amp red fuse located right here. And this is the fuse responsible for power to the AC clutch. AC clutch relay is located down here. Now, the best way to test this relay is try replacing it with either of these two and see if that makes any difference. If that fixes it, just buy a new relay. They are quite cheap, maybe $5-6, and that will fix your problem. If not, like I said, you'll have to dig a bit deeper and look at the AC compressor, any leaks in the lines and things like that. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.